Do you like science?
Of course, as per my thinking, science play a crucial role in our routine life. From morning to evening, all our routine life is connected to science theory, no matter it is directly or indirectly.
What science have you studied?
I have learned physics, chemistry, and biology in my school days, and due to my interests in science, I have picked physics in my undergraduation too, where I have learned some depth knowledge of it.
What do you find most interesting about science?
I think the most interesting thing about science for me is inventions. The mind blowing innovations we hear about every day is all thanks to science.
What science subject did you like the most in school? Why?
Back then, I was fascinated with introductory technology. I had an amazing teacher, and she made me fall in love with the subject. Plus, our projects and assignments were very educative, and I always looked forward to weekend projects. I miss high school.
How has the science that you have studied helped you?
As a growing child, I was always very scared of electricity, and I never went close to even a socket switch. It was that bad. But my love for science helped me overcome that setback, and today I can easily replace burnt bulbs.
Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.